Hello po. Nalikod ka pa? Motor yan? Sige. Ikaw lang dyan, Tal.
Ikaw lang bumagsak.
Ikaw lang.
Grab kami, mayaman kasi kami.
Hindi, mga magbubus.
Hello.
Tara, kaya. Ito po.
Seatbelt.
Belt tuloy.
Sa gitna.
Seatbelt daw mo.
Wala. Walang seatbelt.
Sige, hindi tayo naiintindihan ni Kuya tayo. Saan tayo? Saan tayo? Yung nilalaro natin. Sky Billiards. Kinotranslate mo yung sabi natin yun.
Can go here?
Oh yeah, yes.
Toy.
So we can take a ride at now.
Yeah. This toy, right?
Yeah, two-way.
야, 그런데 저는 한국 사람입니다. Yeah, Korea here, Korea.
Mat, kausapin mo.
What?
Google. 안녕하세요. Oo, palang alam ko.
We're going to Spaniel, right? Spaniel.
Yeah. Espanya, yes.
학생이에요. 이 student. Student.
Student.
Yeah,
Adamson University.
Adamson. 오.
IT.
IT?
Yes.
오, 와.
Computer.
컴퓨터.
Yes.
First time encounter Korean drama.
Yeah. Actually, yes. We didn't see it in the booking. We didn't see it. Naintindihan mo. Sino nag-reply si Arvin? Saan kayo? Bababa tayo niyang tanga. Dito hindi bababa tayo niyang tawa na tawa. Are you new in the Philippines?
Yeah.
You're new here?
2 years, 2 years.
2 years?
Yeah, 2 years, yeah.
Welcome to the Philippines.
Oh, yeah.
The Philippines very traffic, Manila.
Yeah, but Filipino are very friendly people.
Yes.
Very good,
of course.
Good people.
We're very friendly when it comes to our fellow. You're not a fellow Filipino, but you're Korean.
Yeah.
We're friendly.
You've been Korea?
My brother went to Korea and he said that Koreans are very nice.
Yeah, very good.
Yeah.
Very good place.
Actually, the food there is actually nice.
Spicy.
Yeah, very spicy.
Yeah, kimchi. Yeah, kimchi.
The kimchi, yes.
맛있어요. Yeah.
The samgyeopsal.
Yeah, samgyeop.
Yes.
Popular here, samgyeop, right?
Yeah. We have samgyeop here worth 199, but it's very Filipino-ish.
199. What is 199?
Wow, it's 199 pesos.
Per eating? Per
Yeah,
head?
per person.
Per person.
Yes.
Oh, per person.
Ginagamit na talaga pagka-call center.
Siyempre, doon tayo makakadali sa English. Sa English na tayo. Mahirap tayo Korean. Mahirap.
But the problem here, many cars.
Yes.
Many cars. Traffic here.
Traffic.
Yeah,
Yes.
traffic everywhere.
I agree with that. So many cars, it's very easy to loan money in the bank and get a car.
Yeah. Buy car, no parking.
Yes,
Yeah, that's the
no
problem.
parking. That's a problem.
That's the problem. Yeah. 그런데 에르메요. What is your name? What is your name?
My name is Aaron.
Aaron?
Yeah.
You.
My name is Matt.
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 How about the other?
Hey, what's
Calvo.
your name?
Kevin and
Hey, what's your name?
Terence.
Terence. The other one.
Travis.
Travis.
Oh yeah, nice to meet you. Yeah.
What's your name?
반갑습니다. 반갑습니다. It means nice to meet you.
Okay, pangkapkus to ciao. In Filipino, we call it kupal ka ba boss?
Kupal ka naman eh. Kupal ka pa, boss?
That is the meaning of you're welcome in the Philippines.
What is the welcome? Yeah, welcome.
Kupal ka ba boss? That's
Kupa,
Kupal ka ba boss? Yes.
Babos.
Yeah, kupal ka ba
Pal
boss?
babos.
Yes.
Kupa babos.
Yes, kupal ka ba. No, it's not bubbles. It's kupal ka ba boss.
Kupal ka
Babos.
Babos?
No, babos.
Babos.
It's
Babos.
only yeah.
Boss?
Yeah, boss. It's actually very welcoming. The term boss is actually very welcoming when it comes to
오,
yeah.
감사합니다. I learned.
kupal ka ba boss.
Kupal ka babos. Yeah, 그런데 just call me Mr. Hoon.
Mr. Hoon.
Hoon.
Oh, you sound like a businessman.
Yeah. Hoon. That's my last name.
Oh, your last name.
Like a rich person.
My
Like a rich person.
You sound like a rich. Oh yes, you have a bansa. You're very rich.
yeah, that's my last name.
So
Hoon, Mr. Hoon.
Mr. Hoon.
Yeah, nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you, Mr. Hoon. How about your name? What's your name?
My first name is Sutang.
Sutang. Sutang.
Sutang.
Is it with the H?
Yeah.
I spelled it
Mr. Hoon.
right. Sutang. Ano? Oh yeah, you're very familiar with the place.
Yeah, I'm just follow the ways.
I'll follow the ways.
Follow the
So
ways.
you can
We
follow
will
the
drive by
ways.
Quiapo.
You don't know it as well. It's the first time we're gonna go there.
You first time go there?
Yeah, first time go there.
Ikaw yung nagtitripan.
Ang babatayin niyo dito, gago. Ang hirap magsumakay ng jeep lang ha.
Why is it traffic here? Why is it traffic here?
Actually, it's because of
Bus.
no, it's because of the Quiapo
Quiapo.
Church.
Oh.
So many people there.
Oh.
Yeah,
Quiapo Church. Popular church, right?
popular church. Yes. You know the song Ichiribong Kwela Ebuchi Keke? I thought that's Korean.
What is it? You tried.
Ichiribong Kwela Ebuchi Keke.
I don't know the song. It's like it's a funny song.
Yeah, it's actually a funny song, but I thought it was Korean.
No, I don't understand.
I don't
The
know.
words I don't understand.
Buchi Keke.
Let me read this. Pineapple pen.
Okay, gago. Korean yan. Japanese yan.
Korean.
I do you know I have a pen, I have pineapple. Pineapple pen.
Hmm?
You know that, the song,
Pineapple
the
pen.
Korean? Pen, pineapple, apple, pen.
You try again one more. You sing it.
I have a pen, I
Yeah.
have an apple, apple pen. Apple
Apple
pen,
pen.
pineapple pen.
pen pineapple apple pen.
Pen, pineapple, apple, pen. That's a song.
I didn't hear that song.
I didn't hear this.
Maybe other. Maybe Japanese.
That's what I thought. Japan.
I think Japanese.
Yes, Japan. 2 years. You've been in the Philippines for 2 years.
Mm.
You don't know any Tagalog word?
Salamat po.
Salamat. That's thank you. That's all.
Yeah, 감사합니다.
That's the only word you know.
감사합니다.
직진하세요. I know 직진하세요. So?
Durachi, yes, straight. Yeah. Go straight.
가낭.
Kanan.
Kaliwa.
Corrupts a right.
가낭.
Left and right.
Yeah, 직진하세요.
We can understand what the Waze is saying.
You understand?
Well, no, I don't understand. Is he saying that in 200 meters you go right?
Yeah.
Oh,
Yeah.
Oh my God.
I'm so good at Korean instinct.
200 meter to right.
Right.
가낭.
Kanan, yes,
가낭.
kanan.
Yeah, we're Spanya here?
Yes.
Spanya?
Spain. What ba Espanya? What is Espanya?
There?
Yes.
KFC.
Yes, KFC.
KFC.
Yes, KFC.
Oh, to right?
Right?
Or here? Where?
Terminal?
To right, to right.
Yes, right. KFC, Yung ba tayo?
Oh, wait. Oh. Yeah, just I think just here.
Right side na lang. Meron yung muna.
Dito na lang tayo!
Ano, boss? Ano, boss? Nagirapan mo kami, boss. Vlogger ka, boss, no? Vlogger.
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 Sabi ko na eh. Sabi
Dito na tayo!
Nakakutog na nga rin ako eh. Kala ko pabababayin mo kami, boss, pag nalaman namin sa otangon eh.
Kupal ka ba, boss eh?
Ay, ng boss. Boss,
Ganda ng turo mo ha, kupal ka pa boss.
May tawa na pa yan.
May tawag na pa eh, kinariyan pa eh.
So it's a...
Right, guys, may camera pala.
So actually naka-video tayo.
Upload mo
Boss,
May props pa kayo ya.
Ha?
Ano to?
Props pa
Ano
kayo.
to eh?
Hello, 안녕하세요.
Yung siya.
Yan yung props ko.
Yan eh. Itadakimasu eh.
ito to.
So ang tanong, okay lang ba i-upload natin sa aking social media account?
Oh, ito, boss.
Okay lang. Ayan, baka may shout out.
Shout sa mama at papa ko, Leila and Manuel, and my brother sisters Mariel, Mark, Maisel, and Maybel, my family.
Wow.
Welcome, guys.
So ayan, bibigyan ko yung sticker, no? Para
May sticker tayo.
Picture nga tayo.
Yes.
Picture.
picture muna tayo. Yan.
Thank you, boss.
So ito,
Sige kuya, thank you.
lima kayo, no?
Mr. Hun, tapos sutang. Sutang, kala ko minumura ako ni Buto. Sabi ko sutang. Boss, ito, boss. Thank you, boss, ha.
Wait lang, it's a free ride.
Uy!
It's a free ride.
The best!
Free yun talaga.
Ako rin,
kasi-
may vlog ako.
Nagko-content lang ako.
Mr. Hun!
Yeah, Mr. Hun, yeah.
That Mr. Hun.
That's my last name. And
Last
my
name.
first name is
Sutang.
Okay, thank you ha.
Thank you,
Thank
po.
you,
Thank you, po.
Ingat kayo, ingat.
Thank you, boss.
Ingat.
Abangan namin kuya.
Abangan nyo ha.
Thank you ya.
Thank you, po.
Kuya,
Yeah,
ingat.
Mr. Hun.
Sutang.
Ingat kuya.
Bye-bye. Uy.
Thank you, po.
Yun, ingat.
Thank you, po, kuya.
Yun.
Thank you, po.
Bye-bye.
Bye.